Tim Godfrey, they asked us about Queen Bee, and Amaka said she's not there around.
Then you say she goes to
I'm sorry. No, I know this.
Queen Bee, don't worry.
It is really an Independence Day.
So that's
and
a Comedy Friday.
I tell you,
and we're happy, yeah.
you are happy
All
independence.
So maybe we actually move on now to Godfrey. We get some stories then we would actually treat, and then our opinion, and we go and put inside them. So are you ready for the story? Now, our first story for today concerns Uti Nwachukwu. Now, Uti Nwachukwu don't enter on top Instagram. Uti. Yes, Uti. Uti, where they say I resemble.
Sounds like a shout. How? They say, who say, who is
That's
they?
just like man now. They say I resemble Uti.
You know, see,
you don't even near.
Okay, now let me just tell you the story.
Yeah, now call on at the same time. I know what you're resemble.
That was show us the picture. Let me just
colour.
show you the story. We resemble. They resemble to Nwachukwu now. You know, they're totally fed up with lazy Nigerian youth, where actually they flood social media. They actually meet celebrities to ask them for money. Now, what's happened? According to Ram, he talks say a certain young man contacts him on top Instagram, ask him for 40,000 naira to complete in school fees. Now, as good and kind as Uti can offer, say, yes, I will support you. Can support him with 20,000 naira. Now, you know what this young man do? He actually reject him. Tell Uti, say, I beg now, if I just complete and make him 40,000 naira. Now, this one don't make Uti, they very, very upset. Can't talk plenty things. He said this new format is now to tell entertainers that you want to go to school and don't have money. Say, wow. So this particular man contacts me on top Instagram. Anytime he say he want to register for plenty things he want to do for school, say he need 40,000. I direct him to my fan club so that they go verify whether he truly need the money. So they verify and cut off say, yes, he actually need them. And me, I can't suggest, say, I want to give him 20,000 naira. Guess what this guy talk? He talks, say, please, it's not enough. What he calls, say, laugh out loud. Really? Wow. Men ingratitude always amazes me. Now, everything actually come as I talk. Now, you feel, say, people naturally they ungrateful, or Uti just they too stingy to complete that money?
The problem now we say, waiting I know say don't happen for Nigeria now we say, beggars don't they get choice.
Yes.
They get choice.
So, but if you go do that your choice, reach where people when they smile, they'll feel collect one way you get self-join. So I think say anybody will give you, anybody will come out something from where he gets, give you, no matter how small it be, you're supposed to appreciate them. Some people big where we see them be millionaires, somebody still give them 10,000, they will still collect and say thank you. So when you know can't get, you beg, then give you half. I've been listening to say half bread is better than none.
Now, we talked before, but now full bread.
You have bread better than bones.
Full bread. Now you go give bread plus tea.
And
Plus
then
butter on top.
put small akara somewhere.
I tell you.
to take carry the thing go down well. So I think that the guy did very, very ungrateful. He's supposed to appreciate them. He's supposed to even know, say, at least that one go fit solve half of the problem. Because now half you don't take care of like this. So you better say you don't get anyone or you get half. You will choose one. So actually, if you permit me, I wasn't saying that stupidity now, because nobody will get correct sense. We don't beg, then give you half. Even so, that 40,000 naira now, it be like person they find to build house. You can't be saying now 10 billion, then give you 5 billion. You don't say, guy, go complete that before I collect that more. That is something no right somewhere. The guy go check that guy well. So I know she's a Uti.
Why Ingo complete?
Why you go complete that kind of thing?
Because you don't suppose at this point, if the verse will go down the verse, which done the para already. Because you see 20, the guys go take appreciate them for the 20, try and say, okay, I don't go pay for this one, thank you. You go say, hey, how about the remaining? I give you. Then say for Igbo, for Igbo people, Eto DK.
She don't understand.
No worry.
If you praise,
Sorry.
I don't even hear, but at least another one. If you praise champion or person they do for the one we don't do, you go fit do another one.
Yeah, true.
So if you go, you thank him, even God self, you thank him for what he don't do for you, go do for you another one. No say you can't tell God. Imagine say God, you beg God for say one gets 4 children, God give it to you. You can't say God, carry these 2 children back. I don't want it until you give me 4.
Imagine.
I want but that's
So Uti try, no matter how. But maybe in the look it say 2 people supposed to give him in fact maybe they expect Uti go give him like 80 instead of 40.
why no go work for him?
See, but a lot. I feel saying that the mentality of youth and na very na lazy man mentality. First of all, yes, Uti na celebrity or whatever una want call him. Anything where they look up to him for, anything where they call him, whether a celebrity, being a star, being a hero or whatever. But you need to understand, saying him na first human being. You don't know the condition where in day before you begin to beg him for money. What if your account don't read and you don't even get anything? And out of nothing, now you carry that 20K actually give the guy, and the guy they get choice. Hello? I don't understand, because for me, you know they're disabled, you know they nothing do you. You know, be like saying a life and death situation where you day hospital or something. You won't go school. When I day school, I hustle. I day work to pay my way. I don't need to beg anybody say give me money. And this not guy, not be even girl. So if
that's
me,
why I like
I
you.
feel you like me.
So
So if me, I feel work my way
Independence
for
Day.
inside school, my mates they read, I they go work. Then if I come for night, I they read all night just so that I go fit measure up with people where they class. And then you as man, they sit down, they beg on top social media for money. When nothing do you, then there's something wrong with you.
In fact, the funny part be say, he even get looks, they even give him attention. What if they just decide to look and pass, jump and pass? He give him attention, say, oh, may I even pity you, give you 20K.
A whole
See,
20K.
He can't give out
If you
20K.
take,
Come say,
you get where you go
hey,
steal
Odiego.
100 naira.
My brother.
Na tire go round you.
naira.
Yes.
50.
Now you still dey complain on top 20K.
20K where they give you without struggle.
You know the hustle where Uti
One
hustle that
I-
20K, fine, I'm come
When I may
outside.
tell you to make it, I go fix my account now, make you just transfer.
You transfer.
20K.
Uti, I want to pay for my masters.
for me, actually, the man actually they ungrateful. For me,
Very.
I just imagine how would they feel. Oh my God, I wish I can collect this
It
money
dey very
back.
painful,
I wish I can
honestly.
collect this money back, because imagine say you give person 20,000, and then person they ask say, can you just complete it, make it 40,000. It will just make you feel say, what can I do? It don't mean anything. And I you say on Monday we talk about giving. Things like this will make Uti stop to the give.
You see?
Genuinely,
Genuine.
people.
Actually,
You see?
personally, I've had that experience. Okay, I did not get that experience. So now, if I see people with a beg, where they come around me, and they careful, because some people don't from beg, come out gone. Some people don't from beg. So different. If I just see anybody, I don't focus on my thing. They go. I don't want to hear anything. Anytime I know I want to help people, I go plan and well. Go one motherless baby or anything. Go help. Because now you don't know who you fit even those days for village. You go person you go fit go like say take this thing you go carry and go meet with just to take and one kill you back.
Yes.
my
So
brother. You are Igbo.
Well, not true.
My dear,
I know.
even for it happen for Benin too.
Well,
He dey eye
well,
Yahoo
she go
well,
testify.
well.
The headquarters.
Bini, they dey use back of groundnut fly.
That's
it, man.
Groundnut shell. You tell me.
I won't tell you that one.
Amaka.
So
Now you
to
tell
even
me.
fly from Lagos,
you.
every time I get shot for Benin,
Now me tell you.
No, she talk and she and Queen B.
Say
every
anytime
time
we
I
get
get
show
shot for Benin,
She can't be serious.
and then they always want fly because 2 times I don't fly.
None of us fly.
I know say
How you think they
I know
fly?
say plenty people they fly for things they fly for Benin plane. Nobody aeroplane they fly for Benin. area.
bats.
So when I did aeroplane like this one time, I don't travel twice like that. Plane go to be like say you want go up or you want come down. I can't check and say what they fly for that. They drag space for air. So I say more go they take road because.
Tim Godfrey, wait, I just want to tell you something.
But you know that I love you.
No,
You know that I
I
love
just
you.
want to tell you
You know that I
something.
love you. Now you
Oh, you
love
like
me.
When
me,
you
you
do
love
so,
her.
now what if I go CNN and go talk and something go happen later?
Yeah, man.
So you are better
Eh.
change your talk now.
Nothing.
No, but now it's
But
not
wait,
this smooth
wait.
now.
We
I think I'll beg you. Nobody threaten me for this.
groundnut shell.
No,
But
Yeah,
anyway,
happen
maybe
everywhere.
better this
Benin people are very wonderful.
this begging thing.
Benin people are
I just
strong
remember
people.
this thing, this call of this begging thing. It be like say they even get one joke where they use for these beggars. They say they get corporate beggars. They
yes,
get
Bambi,
no, they get corporate beggars and they don't go wear suits.
My act
And
corporate
they get
beggar
normal-
for you. My actor.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Good afternoon, sir. I was just on my way to Ibadan right now, and I realized I left my wallet at home, and I need simply 10,000
No
naira
vex.
flat.
Try to go back house. Go
No, you don't.
I'm not saying you
Wait,
beggar.
you don't understand. I'm not a beggar. No, I'm not a beggar.
I know.
Look
I've
at
never
me.
begged in
I've
my
never
life.
begged in my life. I'm wearing suits. I'm not a beggar. I just want to rush to Ibadan. Don't worry. You can give me your account number. I will return it back.
Tatiana, you
Wow.
missed one part. I went to the University of Lagos. I studied political science. My dad is this.
Political
My dad is
They're not agree. Like, I say, I'm not a beggar. Then go establish that fact. Say, I'm not a
I can
beggar.
show you
We
my
get
ID card.
wretched beggars.
They get ID card.
We actually get wretched beggars. I don't call them the actual beggars, but I would just call them maybe those who really need help.
Even those
Very
when they
wretched.
see, human beings need to understand. Say a lot of things will make you do certain things. You get one day where they go. Now me and we they go Aja. So you get one bridge like that way where they pass. We see this Almajiri children and their mama.
Oh, okay.
Then gather they do meeting.
There's plenty
there.
for road.
Then I carry money. I don't want to call the price, but a big money. Give one of the children, babe. You go inside thief.
All of them.
That's so all of them begin to run. Auntie, sister. I can't they fear. That's why I come hold my bag like this.
One say she not go share
I
am.
say
She not go share
I
am.
can't they look say really. So make I carry on my salary. Can't they give una one by one? It's ridiculous.
It's really ridiculous. I beg, I need to stay grateful with the little. I tell you of the case of my sister, where the girl when they give her conditions. Say, my daddy said I need private school. Say it's private school I must go to. This man, Papa will not add 1 naira to her school fees. So. And the Papa sit down for house, they decide, say, na private school you want to make the pikin go.
No, they get from private school now.
No, he called the name of the private school he want.
You go for your Papa house.
That is private.
Private, yeah. No
I tell you. All right, moving on from that particular one. Be like say we're going to a small break.
Yes.
Now,
I need to drink water.
Yeah, we need to drink water. When we come back after the break, plenty things to come on top of the show. Stay with us.
So that I can sing.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.